What's up, Josh?
Yo, what's going on, man? Oh, get it? Yes, sir.
Alright, now that the last one. Look up.
Welcome to the vlog, man.
Here you go. So right now we have a water bottle down there in the feed line. Eric's gonna turn it on the on position. Go ahead. I stop? Yeah, there's no fuel.
Nothing.
Yeah.
So fuel pump, huh?
I don't know. Let's check it with a multimeter. Got some tools from Harbor Freight, right? Yeah. Hey, headlamp? Nice, nice.
Quality videos coming soon.
Yeah, so we took out the seats. It's hella dirty. It's fucking gross. Whoa, fuck, dude. Fucking tetanus right here, dude. Cool thing about this car, it came with the original, like, owner's manual. It's pretty cool. Yeah, dude.
Alright, let's go to work.
Check this out. October 11, 1977. That's crazy. Oh! Wait! Your chain! No! That's tinted! It's so satisfying just seeing all the dirt being sucked up.
All that rust.
Save all the change you get. What the fuck? We just found this in his trunk.
Every night fucks every day up. Every day patches the night up. On God, you should match it, it's that KO. No white lighters till I fuck my 28th up. 1998, my family had the Acura. Oh, the legend. Kept at least 6 discs and a changer. Back when Boswell and Percy had it active. Couple bishops in the city building mansions. Oh, the Reverend. Preaching self-made millionaire status. When we could only eat at Shoney's on occasion. After Trina hit, I had to transfer campus. Your apartment I didn't use since where I waited. Staying with you when I didn't have an address. Fucking didn't own a mattress. Working on the way to make it out of Texas. Every night, dropping baby off at home for my night shit. Yeah, you know I can hear none of that. Spend the night shit. Kamaiyah shit. Wanna see Nirvana, wanna die, yeah. Wanna feel it on it, could you come by? Fuck with me at the bar shit. You know them boys wanna see me bump down, bump down, trip stars, everyday shit. Shut the fuck up, I don't want your conversation. Rolling marijuana, that's a cheap vacation. Every day shit, every night shit, every day shit, every day shit, every day shit, every day shit, every night.